Well, I've just been informed that they are installing the first new window in the old City Hall, Taunton City Hall building downtown on Summer Street. This is a $27 million rebuild renovation project. The City Hall has been closed since an unsolved arson fire just over 9 years ago. They're retaining the front portion, which circa 1896. They're building an attachment to it, rear portion of the building. And what you're looking at right here, this is a separate building that will be for municipal chambers and a couple of different offices, but mainly municipal chambers. So as I said, it's a $27 million project expected to be completed in the fall of 2020. And I don't think I'm supposed to be standing here, but probably sign off.